A lot of time at the end of the set, and I brought it back in Europe because I was like, they'll like this one. But then I was like, everyone fucking loves this one. It's an old song that was recorded by Bill Monroe, but it was written by Hank Williams and gifted to Bill. It's a song called I'm Blue, I'm Lonesome, which when I was in Europe I tell them that means I'm sad, which is great fodder for a bluegrass song. It's got a really high note, and then if you want to go for it with me, feel free to sing along when you hear it. It's my last show, I can hit the high note, right? Yeah. On that note, let's drink a little more.
You're ready.
A train going by makes me wanna stop up and cry. I recall the day took you away, and I'm blue and I'm low on some too. And I hear that wind is so low, I wanna pack my suit. Case and go, well, I'm outside. The train going by makes me wanna stop up and cry. Oh wait, there's another chorus. When I hear that wind so low, I wanna pack my suit. That was really good, guys. Case and go. Thank y'all so much for listening. I'm Joe's Truck Stop from Cincinnati. Amber who opened the show, she was fucking badass too. Matt Hager's up next. I heard he's got a band with him. Oh shit, who's in that band? Go visit Joe at the merch stand back there, Joe's Merch Stop. He's got you taken care of. Get you one of them t-shirts. I heard there's one large left. I heard Matt's all out of larges. So if you want a large, you gotta come to me. Anyway, I'm Joe. Find my music wherever you do that on the internet and all that stuff, and or burn it all, burn all the ground. Fuck the internet. Who cares? Anyway, here we go. Thank y'all so much, George, for running Sound On Sight. Love you guys, Denver. Fuck yeah, rock and roll. Hell yeah. Thanks, guys.